All right, for this lesson, we're going to do mean, median, and mode. The numbers that you have are your raw data, and they're not in order. So the very first thing you need to do is put them in order from least to greatest, but you want to make sure that you account for every number that you have. So I suggest you put a dot or something above it once you've recorded it. All right, the lowest number in your set of data is 53. So 53, put a dot. After 53, your next lowest number is 61. After 61, the next lowest is 62. And there are two 62s, so make sure you get them both and mark them as having been recorded. After 62, the next lowest is 68. After 68, the next lowest is 81. After 81, the next lowest is 89. And there are two 89s. Make sure you get them both. After 89, the next lowest is 95. After 95, the next lowest is 101. After 101 is 108. All right, count all of them to make sure that you have all numbers accounted for. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I put a dot above them just to make sure that I counted all of them. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11 numbers and they're all accounted for. All right, now we are going to find the mean. We'll do the mean in blue. All right, and to find the mean, you're going to find the average. All right, to find the average of a set of data, you add them all together. So you add together the 53 all the way up through the 108, add them all together, and that is 869. But don't stop there, because you need to divide your total by the number of numbers within your set of data. There are 11 numbers, so that's 869 divided by 11, and that is 79. So your mean is 79. That's your average. All right, then you're also going to find the median. We'll do the median in orange. The median is the middle number within your set of data. So to find that middle number, you're going to use your organized set of data, and you're going to cross off one number from the left and one number from the right. So we'll start with the left and cross off 53, then cross off 108. Take one from the left, that was 61, and one from the right. Again, one from the left, one from the right, one from the left, one from the right, one from the left, one from the right. And I'm left with one number in the middle because we had an odd number of numbers, and that middle number is 81. So your median is 81. All right. Lastly, we are going to find the mode. We'll do the mode in red. The mode is the most frequently occurring number. So we look at our raw set of data, our organized set of data, and I see that I have two 62s as well as two 89s. Since they're tied, they are both going to be my modes. My mode is 62 and 89. So that is mean, median, and mode. Your mean is your average, your median is the middle number, and the mode is the most frequently occurring number. All right. We're also going to do mean, median, and mode if within our set of data we have an even number of numbers, because it's slightly different. All right. For mean, median, and mode within this set of data, the very first thing you need to do again is organize them. So the lowest number within my set of data in this data set is 25. Again, marking off somehow that you've already written that one down. After 25, The next lowest number is 28. The next lowest number is 45. The next lowest number is 51. Then 56. Then 78. All right. There are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers. So I have all of them accounted for. All right. So from here, we are going to do the mean, which remember is the average. All right. So I need to add it all up. So if I add 25 plus 28 plus 45 plus 51 plus 56 plus 78 is 283. That's your total, 283. All right, but you don't stop there, because to find the mean, you had to add those numbers together and divide by the total number of numbers that you have. So you have 283 divided by 6. And that answer is approximately, that's why my equal sign isn't straight, it's approximately 47 17 hundredths. I rounded to the nearest hundredth, so it rounded up to 7. So 47.17. That's your mean. Your median is the middle number within the organized set of data. So I take one from the left, one from the right, one from the left, one from the right, and then I see I'm left with 2 numbers in the middle. So 45 plus 51 equals 96 divided by 2. You divide by 2 because you have 2 numbers. And that equals 48. So your median is 48. Lastly, you have the mode. As you recall, the mode is the most frequently occurring number. So you look back at your data set, the 25, 28, 45, 51, 56, and 78, and you see that only that all of those numbers only occur one time each. So that means there is no mode. Write no mode or none. Don't leave it blank. And that's it. Had we